This year's Easter egg hunt has been so much fun.
Yeah, I loved how some eggs were visible right away, some were just around the corner, and some you really had to look hard for. But it was just so fun to find them all.
My favorite part was finding out what's inside the plastic eggs. I was so surprised the gold-colored ones had $1 bills in them. I'm glad the rules were that everyone got one golden egg. That made it fair for everyone.
I'm sorry I missed the Easter egg hunt this year. There's no way you got $1 in those gold-colored eggs. I'll believe it when I see it.
Hey, we saved one for you. Look for yourself.
Oh, wow. Hey, there really is money in here. That's cool. Thanks for saving one for me.
Oh, ye of little faith.
I think our parents loved to see the surprises on our faces when we opened the eggs and saw the candy, the toys, and the dollars. And it was just as fun to save an egg to surprise you.
I think God loves surprises too. In fact, the Easter story is all about surprises.
Oh, yeah, like the tomb being empty on Easter morning.
And then Jesus appeared. He was risen.
But that was all a long time ago, and it's really important still today. But does God still give us surprises now?
Good question. What do you all think?
Well, maybe a God surprise is a blessing that happens when we don't even plan for it. It's just there for us to receive or enjoy.
Like a rainbow in the sky?
How about a beautiful sunset?
Or you almost forget that spring is even ever going to happen, and then the first flower pokes out of the ground.
Or like when you see a friend at just the perfect time.
Maybe when we plan a surprise for others, that joy is like the joy God feels when He is planning a surprise for us.
Let's think of some simple ways that we can share God's love with little surprises. Since we know that everyone's staying at home, that can add a little joy to our day.
How about helping our parents make breakfast? I love helping make pancakes, especially chocolate chip pancakes.
How about doing something kind without even being asked? Like drawing a picture for someone, or calling a friend, or sending a card to someone in the nursing home, so they don't feel so lonely. Ooh, how about cleaning our bedrooms without even being asked?
Hey, that's getting personal.
Well, surprises come in all shapes and sizes. I think the important thing is that we are thinking of others and what will bring them joy. And somehow, that joy comes back to us too. Just remember, it's good to know that even if we forget to look, God's love and surprises are still there. Hey, look, our audience has a surprise.
God, thank you for all of the surprises and joy that you have planned for us. Help us to remember to look for your surprises. Amen.